Tired of those pesky checks cluttering your wallet? Let's get them deposited into your Chase account, stat. First, let's explore the easiest option, mobile check deposit. Open your Chase mobile app and tap the Pay and Transfer button. Now select Deposit a Check. If you haven't used this feature before, you might need to grant the app permission to access your camera. Carefully place the check on a dark, flat surface with good lighting, then tap front of check and follow the on-screen instructions to take a clear photo. Make sure all four corners of the check are visible and the image is sharp. Repeat this process for the back of the check, and be sure to endorse the back before photographing it. This usually means writing something like "for deposit only" and signing your name. Follow the app's specifics for endorsing. Next, enter the check amount and choose the account you want to deposit the money into. Double-check everything and tap Deposit. Keep the check in a safe place until the deposit clears. Don't have the app? No problem. Chase ATMs can also accept check deposits. Just insert your debit card and follow the prompts on the screen to select check deposit. Then insert your check into the designated slot. Finally, if you prefer a more personal touch, you can always visit a Chase branch and deposit your check with a teller. Don't forget to bring your ID. Choose the method that works best for you.